We headed out the Friday before Memorial Day, and our little town came out proud.
A few hours later.
The Alliance RV rally is held at the Elkhart County Fairgrounds. The day after we got there, I decided to climb up and show you a lay of the land. There's 360 some campers that came for the weekend.
This was a destination for us. We were excited that we got invited to come here, and it's been really awesome. Walking through the crowd. Will's going to be walking through, and he's going to be looking for 5 men to play the first game. Down. All right. Whoa, hang on. We have Kevin and Marlene here. Both of you guys show your airplanes. We have 2 like engineers next to each other. Now Marlene, women are in the lead, 2 points to 1. Do you want to go first, or do you want to let Kevin throw? Kevin, the floor is yours.
Let's go!
We got not an Agent Sully, Captain Sully over here. Marlene, feel the rhythm. Oh! Thank you guys so much. All right, start here, just keep going down. Okay, you ready for the first question? Sure. Will, what's the first question?
They're starting easy, so the first question is, what does RV stand for?
recreational vehicle.
Perfect. Next question. Which U.S. national park is home to Old Faithful Geyser?
Yellowstone.
All right. What is a common term for a portable toilet in an RV? Portable toilet in an RV? Portable toilet in an RV. Common for Class B, so I'll give you a hint. Three seconds. A potty. I'll give her a round of applause. It was a cassette toilet. Thank you so much. A cassette toilet. A cassette toilet. Thank you so much. All right, next trivia question. Okay, the next trivia. Okay. Next question, Will. What is a boondocking campsite?
No electric hookup. Or sewer.
Yeah, no hookups. No hookups. Very good. The whole time. What does it mean to winterize an RV?
Blow it out, make sure there's no water in the system.
I'll take that, yeah. Acceptable, okay. Prepping it for freezing weather.